friends, it's Sejal and welcome to my channel. Today let's prepare this very nice and fluffy winter holiday wreath. I used all the stuff from Dollar Tree and it just cost me $5 to prepare this. To prepare this, I used this wreath, this boa. I used 3 of them. Some of the ornaments which I already had. And this snowflake ornament. I used glue gun to glue them all together. At the end it had already loop, so first I started and glued it so I can use that to hang it on the door, and then started to wrap it around the wreath. To secure it, in between I glued it. So I cut that thread which was at the end and then glued it. Okay, so once it's fully covered, it looks very pretty. At the top, I put that snowflake ornament, and to cover that hole, I just put one feather and then placed this ornament and then started gluing them. So this is the final result. Hope you all like it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Take care and happy holidays. Bye bye.